Hey everyone, I'm going to do a quick video here on some data testing we're doing with iScan. So what I'm going to do is pop into this Dodge Caravan, into the hood. Hood's actually getting replaced, but I just want to give you an example of what this looks like. So when you hit iScan, it opens up your camera. You can see I've got a pretty big, dent mirror screen right here, and it's casting on this hood. So what I'm going to do is just kind of shoot half of this. But I just need to get this sort of image in the hood, half the image in here, along with the dent mirror, which is, the dent marker. And I can take a photo of that. That dent marker is that little square, odd-looking thing that calibrates the size. So I like the photo, so I'm going to use that. And then what I need to do is tap on the screen and identify an area. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to go down to the front, over, across the front, down along the edge. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then connect the dots, and then that identifies the area for it to be scanned. So it's thinking, it's doing its dent detection. And there we go, 63 dents, average size 40 millimeters. I'm going to tap on yes to save it. It comes into the app automatically. Now what it's doing is saying 16 to 30 half size and then 46 oversize, which equals $2,000. Obviously this hood's getting replaced, but I just want to demonstrate how iScan